You can't scroll through social media right now without seeing a weight loss regimen, a weight loss remedy, a weight loss recipe. And nobody really cares about people who want to gain weight like me. In fact, when you point out that you want to gain weight, people are like, hello, what's wrong with you? But honestly, people have their reasons for wanting to gain weight. I have my reasons, you have your reasons, which is why in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I make this recipe that has helped me gain weight. I've been using this recipe since as far back as 2021, when I used to be so obsessed, literally obsessed with gaining weight. And this recipe helped me over. And I've just gotten out of a season where I was losing weight drastically. I don't know, there's just something about it. I lose weight faster than I gain weight, which is so annoying and so sad. But whatever the case may be, whenever I'm in that part or whenever I'm in that season, this is the recipe, or this is one recipe that I actually just incorporate back into my diet, into my routine to help me gain extra weight, take me back to where I am. And it honestly works. I take for about 3 weeks to a month as consistently as I can, and I always see a difference, which is why I'm sharing it with you today. So if you want to gain weight with recipes, if you want to know a recipe that's going to help you gain weight, this is the recipe for you. Before we dive right into the video, if you're not subscribed, thumbs up, click on the subscribe button, click on the like button, leave a comment letting me know what you think, and let us get into this recipe. Please gain your weight in peace and don't let anybody shame you about it, because skinny shaming is actually a thing and we need to end it. Please check the description box for the full ingredient list and their quantities. Into my pot, I'm going to add 1 part water and 1 part milk. I'm using full cream milk here. You can use low fat milk, but again, we're trying to gain weight, so why using low fat milk? To that, I'm going to add 1 heaped spoon of peanut butter. I'm going to add chia seed, and I'm using honey. Of course, you can always use sugar if you don't have honey. I'm going to cover this and bring that to a boil. Once it starts boiling, I'm just going to stir this a bit, make sure that my peanut butter is melted, and then I'm going to go in with my oats. I'm using instant oats or quick oats. You can of course use rolled oats, or however, if you use rolled oats, it's going to cook longer, or you have to cook it longer for it to get soft. Once you stir this to combine, then you're going to cover the pot and allow it to cook until the oats is done. This should not take you more than 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, you're going to add some bananas to this. You're also going to add some peanuts or granules, anyone you want to call it is fine, to this, and then you're going to stir this again. Allow to cook for like 1 more minute, nothing more than that. What I like to do for the last 1 minute is to cover the pot and then turn off the heat and just let it cook in its own steam for the last 1 minute. This is what we have after all our cooking process. This thing looks so good already, but we are not done, you guys. We have to just garnish it. This is not necessary, but I just like to do it because I like to make my food look pretty, and I just like the extraness that comes with all of this. So we're going to add some sliced bananas to this. We're also going to add some grapes to this. You can add any other fruits that you want to add, but this is what I would typically add whenever I'm making this oat. But the one that you cannot skip though is your evaporated milk. You can't skip this. If you don't have evaporated milk, use some powdered milk. Just make sure you're adding milk to this, because you guys, again, we're trying to gain weight. And once you're done, that is it. It's so simple, literally so easy. You don't have to do too much. You don't have to spend so much time in the kitchen. Eat this for as much as you can, and definitely you're 100% going to gain weight, you guys. This thing has worked for me over time, and I just thought to share it with you guys. You guys see how easy it was to prepare this thing? That's one of the greatest gifts of this food. I just love that I actually don't have to waste a lot of time to make it. It tastes amazing, you guys. I've not even tasted it, but I mean, I've made it so long or so much now to just know that it tastes amazing. So I'm going to leave you guys to enjoy my food. Please, if you found this video helpful, do not forget to click the like button, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a comment letting me know what you think about the recipe, and just share the video to your friends, your family, anybody, everybody. Let them come watch the channel. And I'm gonna see you guys in my next video.